This is rockback breathing. To begin, you are going to get on your hands and knees, and you're going to slowly inhale as you sit back towards your heels. As you inhale, you will be breathing into the upper back portion of your rib cage as well as down through the mid portion of your back. So we're here, exhale, and slowly and fully we take a breath as we rock back into the bottom position. And we exhale as we return to the top. One more time. Be sure as you rock back that you tuck your chin as well, so that you get full lengthening of the spine throughout the entire move.